I did not turn on my Goodman, but I did. I was planning to do a video running, so that's why I did a clip. As you can see, this thing has been pretty. It's been working. See, it's got a 15-year-old coordination data. It's a 510 for Cessna. That is working really good. The section line is ice cold and sweaty. That is working really good. The section line is ice cold and sweaty. The little line is warm right now. Probably close to outdoor temperature, which is in the mid-80s. Going to warm air. Can't see it, but it has a Goodman school compressor. The energy that has been really worn off since the last time I filmed it. I'm not going to put my phone in there because the blade will cut it. So I only do it when it's off. Gradually. Disconnect for the oh yeah, ice cold. There's a label right there for the Goodman screw up one time.